Today is December 6, 2024. And today is Friday. I'm preparing our coffee for today. Hubby doesn't have work every Friday. Get to rest. We woke up like, I think 8. So now we're just having our first coffee and I'm cooking oatmeal for breakfast. Gonna add some sugar, a little bit of sugar. Do you guys like your oatmeal to be like very thick consistency, or you want it to like flowy and dry? We also love to put a little bit of condensed milk. This is actually just my first time that I'm gonna put the condensed milk into the pan, because like since I discovered oatmeal in a hotel, I just can't stop eating oatmeal like every day, and I even just eat oatmeal for lunch in the past 3 days. So, you know. Hi to the vlog.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Welcome back to our channel.
He is currently playing a Pokemon game that we bought like couple
Arceus.
Arceus. Ayan.
Check it out guys, it's good.
Ayan. That's what he's been playing. Diba?
Yeah. All of this is good games guys.
Ayan guys, ewan ko kung nakikita
Favorite
nyo.
games.
Ayan. Yan yung mga nilalaro niya pag may time siya maglaro. Ayan.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Maybe once in a while.
Once in a while. But what is your like wish list to have this coming Christmas?
Maybe a PS Vita.
That's really old, isn't
Yeah,
it?
because since it's old, so the software developer doesn't update it anymore.
And
So
so-
people can jailbreak it and then you get free games.
But what else? What are you aiming to have?
Oh, aside from that, maybe ROG console.
Oh,
Or maybe just a Nintendo Switch, like
the updated one.
the bigger version of this. Because this is light. Then
There's like the different one. Yeah.
and the bigger one you can hook it up to TV, and has big screen,
Mm-hmm.
and it's more crisp quality.
Wow.
I think it's OLED.
Guys, he loves playing some video games, and he doesn't even use his gaming laptop anymore. No, we do play sometimes, don't get me wrong, but it's not like how addicted he was when he's still single. So not a single, like we're not living together, so he's pretty much active back then. Kain tayo guys. We have tuna and pork tocino and hot dog for lunch.
Sa lugar na maraming ganyan.
Yung ganyan hinaharang ka? Hindi ko na siya. Hi guys! 1:48 p.m. right now. We are heading to West Edmonton Mall. I'm just returning some things sa isang store, and then we're gonna go around the mall na rin para makapag-ikot-ikot, and we're gonna buy some gifts pa na we're missing. And then that's the agenda for today. And then syempre mag-grocery tayo. We don't have any more food sa fridge, and parang nagkikrave ako sa sabaw. So kailangan nating lutuan yung sarili natin tsaka yung asawa natin ng sabaw. Ayan. Super, dito guys, nagme-melt na naman yung mga snow. Tumaas na naman po yung temperature. It's currently 5 degrees right now. Ayan. Kaya nagme-melt ang snow. It's not snowing anymore. And super busy ng road as you can see. Ayan. Ay, ng daan pala. Super busy ng highway. 'Di ba? Pero ang nice ng daan kasi hindi siya icy or snowy. Guys, ayan ang putik ko. Kita nyo ba yan? Ang slushy. Sobrang busy. Dahan-dahan lang. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Uniqlo. Ayan, meron tayo dito. Parang siyang turtleneck. Parang hindi siya turtleneck. Perfect for winter. And I got some white one or yellowish and I have the blue one as well. Tapos, sorry natin kung if na binili natin. Tignan natin kung ano pang meron sila ngayon. This one is nice. Nice color, guys. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, my love.
Maganda.
Ha?
That looks good.
Oh, kuha daw tayo nito. 2 pound. 14.88 per pound. Sabihin lang yun.
Laki.
Gusto mo to?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Yan.
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah, that's good.
Matabak na yan sila.
I think.
Dito tayo sa TNT. Titingin lang tayo ng beef back rib. Tumitingin tayo. Nag-grocery tayo ng ulam natin. Ayan. 1/4 o 1/2? Gano'n kaya karami yung 1/2? O 1/4 lang? 1? Yeah, just 1/4. So, pork neck. We're looking for beef one. Chicken. This one. Ay, uro ka, bi. Guys, kakauwi lang namin. Actually, kanina pa mga, I think, before mag 6:30, ganyan, nakauwi na kami. So, i-haul ko lang sa inyo yung mga nabili namin sa TNT kanina. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi super busy sa grocery. Ayan, meron tayong mee goreng here. Mee goreng. I bought bitter melon, ampalaya. I got some ginger. Oops. Mega sardines. I also got pork belly. So, supposed to be, ano lang siya papachop ko sana, hindi ko pwedeng ipahiwa ng maliliit. So, I will try to hiwa siya ng maliliit. Of course, my favorite, persimmon. Yan. Tapos, bumili lang din ako nitong Reno. Just in case lang. Kahit hindi ko kilala tong brand na to, pero bumili na lang din. Bumili din ako nitong black seedless na grapes. Super delicious na ito, guys. Ayan, tikman natin. Also got vinegar. Wala na kami nung may sili. And then sugar. I bought sayote for tinola. And then I bought yam as well. I bought ano nga ulit to? Nakalimutan ko na. Favorite ko din to, star something. Ayan. Kalimutan ko yung tawag niya. Bumili na naman po kami ng buhay na crab. So, dalawa to. Imagine guys, this is like almost $40. This is $38.97. Buhay siya. So, lulutuin ko na siya. Iboboil lang natin siya with water and salt. Then, meron din tayo ditong chicken. Ayan. And then, lastly, we got some beef liver. Masarap din siya guys. Bala ko sa kanya is menudo. Ayan, nalagyan natin siya sa menudo with the pork belly. Ayun lang, yun yung haul natin. So, ito na yung water with salt. Hugasan lang natin tong crab. Kita nyo guys, so big, diba? Pero, para hindi siya gumalaw or tumalon or umakyat, balik na rin lang natin. Ayan. Dalawa. So, habang hinihintay natin tong crab, i-ano ko lang tong chicken na lulutuin natin next time. Para bago natin siyang ilagay sa fridge, nakat na siya. Hindi talaga ako guys fan ng pork, pero naisip ko parang ang sarap din siguro ng tawag dito menudo, since meron naman tayong kompleto sa sahog. So perfect ang menudo for this, kaya ko siya binili. And actually this is medyo malaki, so ayan. Guys, kain po tayo. Itong ulamin natin itong niluto nating crab. Ayan. Parang hindi naman siya ganun kataba. Pero, tikman natin. Konti lang guys kasi gabi na. Ayan. May sabaw siya. Hindi siya ganun ka raming laman. Hi vlog! Happy Sunday! So, ayan, medyo may sakit pa po tayo. I still have runny nose right now. That's why my voice sounds different. And I just finished taking a shower and my husband is taking a shower right now as well. We're gonna go out because we didn't finish our grocery shopping yesterday. So, eto na naman, mag-grocery na naman po kami because hindi namin nabili lahat ng mga kailangan namin bilhin dun sa TNT supermarket yesterday. So, we're gonna go out and probably we're either gonna go to Superstore or Walmart to grab some of the stuff that we need
So for today, so we're gonna cook, well, for lunch, we still have crab that we bought from the TNT supermarket. That's really, really good. So meron pa tayo nun for lunch for sure. And then for supper, I'm just gonna cook pork menudo. So I'm so excited kasi I think this is the only recipe and pork chop, the things that I can eat with the pork. So, super happy. Ayan. And then, anyway, I just want to say good morning, or I think it's almost good afternoon, everyone. And welcome to a new vlog! So, naglagay lang ako ng konting, tawag dito, makeup sa aking face. Ayan. Concealer lang, blush, brows. Hindi ko pa na-blend yung brows ko. And then, lashes. Yun lang. Very quick and easy. Nothing crazy sa makeup. Pero kakain muna kami. Kain muna kami dito sa bahay bago kami mag-grocery. Kasi mahirap mag-grocery ng gutom, guys. Alam mo yun, nabibili mo mga bagay na hindi mo naman dapat bilhin. So, handa lang tayo ng food. Lagay ko muna kayo dito. Ayan. And last night pala, guys, nakauwi na yung asawa ko mga 10-ish. And sinundo ko siya sa hotel kung saan siya nag-Christmas party. Ayan. I'm so happy na, you know, nagpunta siya sa Christmas party kasi once in a while lang naman yung ganong get-together. Slashy na naman. Ayan. Labas muna tayo sandali. At tayo ay bibili ng mga mga stuff na hindi pa natin nabili kahapon. Ayan. Nag-snow na naman, guys. Oh, tatanggal na naman po siya ng yellow. Parang pang halo-halo yung yellow this time. Ayan. Dito na kami sa Home Depot. Naghanap na tayo ng pang-gift natin. Saan tayo? Ayan. Guys, tingnan niyo siya, oh. Nakatingin siya sa camera, babe. That's creepy. Ayan, tingnan mo. Next stop namin, guys, sa Staples. So, dito kami ngayon. Bibili ata siya ng work pen niya dito. Kasi dito lang meron eh. Tanggalin natin to. Ang init niya. Yung nahanap niya is type of a Sharpie. These are just pens, my love. So, might be right there. Maybe here. These are all your markers. Yeah.
Right there. That's fine.
Ay, when it's open, you get another one. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the one that he's been looking for. Ayan. Guys, andito kami sa A&W. Magme-merenda muna kami dito ng burger. Bago kami mag-grocery. So, nakatapos na kami bumili ng mga Christmas present pa. So, ayun, dito muna kami sa A&W. Kain kami ng burger. Ayan. Kasi nakakuha si Chris ng gift card nung Christmas party niya last night. So, ayan, may budget tayo for out dito sa A&W. Ito yung pagkain namin, guys. Onion rings, Uncle Burger, onion rings, and bacon, ano lang to sa akin. Bari cheese lang, yung maliit lang. Ayan. Harap na siya. Para mapapalit tayo sa lahat. No, this is so big. I can't finish this. So daddy, you can finish this one. Ang ganda ng audio nila dito. Ang ganda.
Audio.
restaurant. Yeah? Okay na kaya? Why?
Ayos Next.
So, ito guys, cucumber, fish, 1 or 2? 1 or 2?
Ilan? Mga isa lang siguro.
Isa lang.
Pero
Kasi medyo mahal siya. Bakit this one, babe? Yes, quick. Wala naman tayo dito sa we need chicken broth. No?
yeah, malaki yun.
Babe. Ito.
Capri. Magkano yan? $14.
Look how much we bought the Argentina sa TN. It's like $10.99.
Ito dyan, 8 lang. No?
Yeah.
$9. So $2 different.
Yeah.
May corned beef ba tayo?
Wala.
Kuha ka dalawa.
There's like cheap one, the Pure Foods one. Do you think that's good? It looks like it's good. It's almost sold
Palagay
out.
ko Argentina, mas masarap.
Really?
Yeah.
Can we get one of each?
Sige.
I can't reach the further one. So guys, it's been sold out for many months. Finally, natsyempohan ng asawa ko na merong stock. Ayan, ang aming bulda. But we need to add some mozzarella cheese. Ayan. Ayan, mozzarella cheese. Ayan. Medyo malapit na kaming matapos. Dito na kami sa mga tissue. We need toilet paper.
Mas madami ba yan?
This is only 12. How many is that?
So, 24.
For 15. It's pretty much the same.
Pares lang.
Yeah. Guys, nakauwi na pala kami sa galing ng grocery. Tsaka nito na kami sa bahay. Pakita ko sandali sa inyo the things that we got from grocery. Come here, baby. Let's do a haul. Umpisahan na natin, guys, with toilet paper. Ayan. Medyo expensive talaga ang toilet paper. Pero medyo matagal naman ito magdala sa amin. So, ayan.
Guys. Pang chibog. HBKs.
Nakasan mo. Hindi ka natin nila
Some HBKs. Few bananas. Berlin.
Parehas kami may ano na.
May sipon.
Sipon. Kaya
Papunta na ng ubo.
papunta na rin ang ubo.
Sa kamatis. Tapos lemons. Mga ingredients ng asawa ko. Pomelo. Ito pala hindi ko pa ito natikman.
Suha.
Yung alam ko na suha, ano yung kalamansi?
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yan ang
No.
tawag sa amin. Grapefruit. Favorite ng asawa ko, guys.
Mostly guys, puro prutas yung ano namin, na pamilya namin at saka mga essentials sa kitchen.
Tapos cooking oil.
We got some cooking oil,
And Dove. Soap.
Dove soap. It's really good, guys. This is like a buko flavor na talaga siya. Like buko in a can. Ayan.
Chicken
Chicken broth.
broth.
Ayan. We got this
Lysol.
Lysol for top the toilet bowl na panglinis. Ayan.
Kailangan di siya sa mesa.
Why?
Clorox.
Yan. Well, you just put it on the side there. Di ba ang arte ng asawa ko, no? Ayaw niyang isama sa lamesa. Yung
But separate.
piece of eggs.
3 pieces of eggs.
Yes.
Pepsi, of course.
Ayun ako.
Minsan-minsan.
Wait!
Then, yung my baby's favorite, and now's our favorite, buldak.
Yeah.
It has to be carbonara flavor.
Yeah.
Nestle Carnation chocolate, hot chocolate drink, condensed milk, Carnation.
It's evaporated.
Oh, evaporated.
So that's different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Argentina corned beef, guys. And we got some Pocky, ano nga ito?
Almond.
Almond crush. So para siyang Pocky sticks, no?
Yes, na may
Pocky
crush,
sticks.
na may almond siya sa. It's really
Almond
good.
din. Of course, guys, we got Pringles.
Yeah.
Dati, nakikita ko lang yun sa convenience store, sa gas station. Sa Pilipinas, sa Shell. Mga
Yeah.
ganyan. So, masarap. Pero, yeah, it's actually good. And then, of course, Tropicana juice. My favorite, and my baby's favorite too. Many cucumbers, because my baby's craving for cucumbers. And we got a new game. We bought the Jenga. It's gonna be our
Let's play this one tonight.
our family game together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember my childhood days playing this, guys, and I really had some fun. So when I saw this, I told my wife that, babe, we should pick it up because I think this is a good game.
Yeah. We're gonna play that tonight, guys, after we clean up this grocery haul for you.
3-in-1 facial cleaning wipes.
Oh.
And then we got some Knorr pork cubes.
Morning, everyone. Welcome to a new vlog. Today is Wednesday. It is actually 9 a.m. in the morning. So, medyo may sakit pa po tayo kasi yung weather dito keep on changing. But anyway, we're doing okay. I haven't really doing something crazy in the past few days. So, today before I go out and about today, because I'm planning to go out to I'm planning to go to the mall today. I'm gonna cook something first so that I don't have to worry this when I come back. So I'm just gonna cook ginisang ampalaya for our lunch and supper na rin. So it is not a lot, but that's what I'm gonna start with this morning. I just want to say good morning, everyone. Thank you for keep watching our videos here. Super happy that you guys, I'm seeing a lot of views, and I'm so happy that, that you like my videos. Anyway, pinapainit ko lang yung kaldero and then we're gonna start cooking. Naghiwa na ako, guys, this morning ng mga ingredients ko after ko mag-breakfast, kaya magigisa na agad tayo. So, unahin na natin tong onions. And then sabay natin yung garlic. Then laglag na rin natin itong tomato. Bago pa masira yung or masunog yung ating mga ingredients. Ayan. So nice. I like that. See, guys, super perfect ang texture. Super perfect. Lalagay na natin itong ating ampalaya. Ayan. Just for flavor. Ayan. And I'm just gonna cover it again. Ayan. Ayan. Luto na ang ating ginisang ampalaya. Super nice niya. Oh, perfect ang texture. So, I put a little bit of water, guys, just to add a little, para hindi siya dry. So, ayun lang. Dito ako ngayon sa H&M. Naghahanap lang ako ng additional gift natin sa ating kapatid. Kasi feeling ko kulang pa yung regalo natin sa kanya. So, naghahanap lang ako kung meron ditong, pwede nating ibigay sa kanya. Ang ganito, naka-sale yung mga bini nila. Na mga sweater. Ayan. Mga cute na pang sweater. Ayan. Makita. So, punta tayo dito sa mga for ladies. Tingnan mo. Ay, ang cute ng mga socks. $2.99. Buy 2 get 1 free. Ayun, oh. It's only $2.99. That's really nice. Sana to, kaso manipis lang yung tela niya. Cute yung mga ganyan. This is really cute too. What size? Large. Oh, this is nice. I like this one. Let's try this one out. $4.99. Ayan, ganito yung mga gusto nating mga damit. Mga may igse. Ayan, ayun, cute nito. See? Ayan, ito yung mga cute nating mga damit. Ayan. That's cute. We can try this one as well. Dito tayo guys sa Dollarama. Tumitingin ako ng mga paper bags for the gift. Pero ito, may mga napili na rin ako. So, ito yung mga napili ko. Ayan. So, yan muna. And then, bibili na rin tayo. Ang dami kasi nilang option dito. I think I'm gonna get this one. This is pretty too. Kaya, ang daming mga mura dito sa Dollarama. So, tingin lang din tayo ng mga cute na mga stamp na pwede mo siyang lagyan. Ito. Ang cute ng mga tags nila. I really don't know what I'm gonna get because they're all pretty. Kailangan din natin ito. This is really cute. Actually, this one is a lot cuter. Or this one. This one with the Santa. It's so cute. We're gonna get that. And then I think we're gonna grab this one as well. And cute. Ito guys, ang ganda rin itong socks. Siguro kuha tayo dalawa. Ayan. Lalagay natin dun sa ano. Hindi ko alam kung kukuha tayo nito. Red na snowflakes. I think we should. Let's just get this one. And then maybe another one. Ito tayo nito. Yan, dalawa. Morning guys! Welcome to a new vlog! So it's Friday today you guys and it's currently 9:54. We woke up like 9:30 in the morning. But we stay in bed, that's why we kind of like wake up so late. But yeah, I'm just preparing our breakfast. We're having buldak and egg for breakfast today. Ayan, it's hubby's request. Namimiss niya na daw yung luto ko na buldak. And also kasi guys, hindi laging available yung buldak na gusto namin. So, hindi talaga lagi kami nakakakain ng buldak as much as we wanted. So, yun, ito, malapit na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. May konti pa siyang sabaw. Kasi yung buldak ko, gusto ko siya medyo may sabaw, pero hindi ganyan. So, patutuyuin lang natin siya ng very light pa. Ayan. And then, dito naman yung ating egg. Ayan. Naluto ko siyang egg. So, ito, luto na yung buldak natin, guys. Ayan. Yan. Delicious. Yan. Gusto ng asawa ko kaya kailangan nating pagbigyan. Gustuhan niya yung buldak. Kaya, ngayon, alam niya na yung ibig kong sabihin when I say buldak is really delicious. And kain tayo ng breakfast, guys! Thank you, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, salamat po sa breakfast na binigay niyo po sa amin. Sana po yung magsilbi po ito ng lakas at enerhiya po throughout the day na gagawin namin, Lord. Amen! Ay, parang enough already.
Pure ingredients.
Yeah. No cheese, no anything.
Good.
Ang sarap. Oh my God. I miss my buldak.
Good. Mm.
Sarap siya.
Babe, ang sarap.
Amazing, no?
Namumula ka na.
Sarap. So good.
Ang sarap mo. Hindi na siya nag-i-stay sa bibig, no?
Absolute at ang dahil itlog.
Labas tayo dito guys at tutulungan natin yung asawa ko na kabit or ayusin tong bulb dito kay Patty or sa may sasakyan ko because it's busted. And what do you want me to do? Okay. Diyan yung inayos natin.
That's good na. That's good na.
Oh yeah, the park light. Which one? Yeah. Yeah, I can see that there's a light na. But it's not bright, no?
So, i-reverse mo nga daw.
Okay. So, yun nga yung nangyari, guys. Every time na magpa-park ka or nakatapa ka sa brake, hindi lahat siya ng ilaw ay umaandar. And I don't like that kasi it can cause an accident pag nasa highway ka because it's hard to tell if you're on brake or you're still on pedal. So, kaya, ayun, that's what we're trying to figure out. Kaya, tignan natin. We actually brought this one to a technician and they're charging us $200 just to change the bulbs. So, hindi ko alam bakit they're charging too much. Medyo mahirap pala siyang tanggalin. Nakakatakot.
Nakakatakot na.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan mo lang mag-fill.
Mag-i-feel. Yeah. Good job. Such a gentle. Ayan. Baka kailangan lang ng mga ano. Oh. Hi, Pogi.
Hi, B.
Gwapo mo naman. Gumana na siya, guys. Super nice na. Ayan. Ang galing talaga ng asawa ko. 'Di ba? Wala na. Hindi na $200. Free kisses and hugs lang po yung owing ko ata sa kanya. But, kailangan natin itanong sa kanya kasi it's still on?
Yeah. Pina-on ko lang muna kasi
Ayan, good afternoon. Ayan, it's currently 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Ngayon pa lang yung aming lunch. Kasi diba nagbulda kami this morning. So, eto, kakain pa lang kami. Ayan, ang ulam namin ay tinolang manok. So, that's what we're having. Iniinit ko lang yung rice. Pero ito yung food namin, guys. So, yan. Yan yung pagkain leftover namin. Morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Ayan. Let's go to the church today. Yan. Let's go.
let's go to the church, guys.
Yan ang pogi na asawa ko, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Should we leave this thing open? Wow, super nice outside. It's not that cold. I'm pretty sure it's only like -4 this morning. Kaya hindi siya masyadong malamig. Eto, dito pala tayo nakapark today. Thank you po, my love. What's the temperature on your thing, my love?
Hindi ko alam.
But it's so nice. It's not that cold. So, ayan. Medyo na-late kami ng gising this morning. Nagising na kami ng 9:30. So, we don't have much time to eat our breakfast. But, yeah. Guys, so we just finished church now. It's currently 12 p.m. and we are heading to grab our lunch now outside, and we're gonna go to A&W for our lunch. Ang na talaga. Thank you. It rang so loud. Teen burger. Yeah.
Thank you. How are you?
Dito na kami sa A&W. Ang laki ng mukha natin, love. Ayan, guys. Onion rings. Thank you, babe. Kain tayo, guys. This is our lunch. How's your burger? It's good. Laki yung cheddar bacon uncle. Trap. Ito yung sa akin, guys. So, teen burger. Tapos share lang kami ng pop kasi meron na kaming water sa car.